Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 18th of December, 2023. We're going to talk about Enphase Energy real quick. It's been a while since like August since I did a price prediction in Enphase. You guys can see a price prediction is still here on the chart. August the 7th, 2023. I was expecting the market in this stock to go lower in price, and look what happened to the price action. That is exactly what the market did. 15.66% was harnessed off of our price prediction right here on September the 18th. Now, obviously, you can see that the market went way lower than that. Cool. If you guys were able to bag more of that, congratulations, because that ultimately, from when we did our price prediction to the ultimate low on November the 10th, it's 47 and a quarter. So good call. I mean, if you guys were able to grab that, congratulations. That is what we do here on this particular channel, is we predict price action without the confusion. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to extend the downtrend, right? So we've seen the market come back to life in Enphase. The market is bullish, okay? It is on a small short-term trend. We got it. But now the hurdle for the buyers is going to be now, right there around $120 to $125. We need to see the market break this downtrend line. So hopefully we can see that in the future and predict that the market in Enphase is ready to go higher, and maybe keep in line with this shorter term trend line and not this longer term one. So first of all, let's go look at this on the weekly chart in Enphase and look at this last week. I'm gonna zoom in on this chart because that is very bullish right there. Okay, we got the volume that came through last week in the market in Enphase. The market closed at the high of that weekly price bar. That is definitely letting us know that the market is gaining momentum to continue to go up. Now, as we saw this very positive weekly price bar, take a look at where the market stopped at. This is where selling is right here. Okay, so this is a sell zone, meaning that if the buyers really are that bullish, they would have to take all of these sellers out of this zone in order for the price to go up, which takes us right next to the downtrend line. So just some things to consider as we look forward to the price in Enphase to go up. Okay, because I am going to predict that Enphase is bullish and that it's going to try to go higher, but maybe in the initial stage, price will go down, all because of the sellers in that zone there. Here it is on the 2 weeks. The market has concluded, printed on this 2 weekly price bar there, and it still looks pretty bullish. Okay, it still looks bullish. Now, the next thing is, if we suspect that price is going to break through this sell zone, where would be the next sell zone at? What do you guys think it is? It's right here. Okay, so that would be the next target for us into the market in Enphase. Now I'm going to straighten this up on the daily time frame to get a more accurate depiction as to where the sellers are, but these are where the sell zones are at into the market in Enphase. Okay, take a look at Enphase here on the 3 weeks. Again, it pretty much look identical to the 2 weekly chart, but we still have 4 days and 10 hours left. Here it is on the 5 weeks. The 5 weekly time frame is massively bullish. We saw on the prior 5 weeks, look at this, the market went down, right? You would suspect in the next 5 weeks that the market will continue to go down, but instead it went up. Pretty much it almost encompassed the spread of the last 5 weeks. Okay, so all in all, I am going to look for the market in Enphase to go higher. Here it is on the 5-day chart there, still looks bullish. Here it is on the 3, still looks bullish. Here it is on the 2, still looks bullish. Now, I think early on, the price is going to go lower. It's going to go down. I suspect that that's going to happen. Okay, so I am prepared for the market in Enphase to go lower. Let me go ahead and get rid of this downtrend line because I think the market's going to break that downtrend line to the upside. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And let's straighten up these sell zones that we've created. Okay. So these are the targets there. And the next thing we're going to do is create the buy zones. So this is a buy zone down here at the bottom in Enphase. So we need to see whenever the price goes back down in Enphase that the market buyers need to hold that zone. And here's the next zone up here. Okay. Now, we're going to look for the price in Enphase to go up. That is going to be our price prediction. And we got these zones as targets. Okay, so we don't want the market in Enphase to fall below $100. Extend this over a little bit. First target is going to be, let's take the high of that sell zone here, $133.37, which is 7.55% there. Second target is going to be, let's do this area, 145, 17.25. Third target is going to be here, 154, which is 23, almost 24% move to the upside in Enphase there. Let's extend this trend up as a reference point as we enter 2024. That is what I'm looking forward to right there. Let me get rid of this one. I don't want to make the chart too confusing. And that's it, I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.